Samastan Kumar Namaskar. Warm greetings to everyone. I am Dr. Jyotiranjan Guria, and with immense pride and humility, I said that I became the first PhD scholar from the Didai tribe, a community recognized as a particular vulnerable tribal group, PVTG. I hail from Mudaliguda village under Rasabeda Gram Panchayat in the Khairiput block of Malkangiri district, Odisha. This achievement is not only a personal, it is a historic and emotional moment for my tribe, my village, and for all young dreamers from marginalized communities. After 3 years of intensive research, I have successfully completed my doctoral degree at the Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, KISS, deemed to be University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. This milestone is a statement to the power of education, perseverance, and support systems that uplift underrepresented communities. The road to this achievement was filled with struggles, sacrifices, and moments of doubt, but it was also filled with hope, hard work, and guidance of those who believed in me. I owe this success to my parents, family, teachers, and the incredible support I received from my academic mentors and institution. A heartfelt tribute goes to Moheswar Maharana sir, my primary school teacher, who was the first to recognize my talent in art. He not only guided my education during those early years, but also inspired the beginning of my artistic journey, which has been a parallel passion throughout my academic life. My academic path began at Government High School, Kudmulguma, where I completed my 10th standard. From there, I pursued plus 2, plus 3, post-graduation, MPhil and PhD at KISS, an institution that has been both a home and a launchpad for my dreams. During my years from plus 2 to post-graduation at KISS, I had the privilege of learning and refining my artistic skills at the institution's vocational center. It was here that I was mentored by a talented and dedicated art teacher, Subrat Mohalla sir, who consistently guided and motivated me. He recognized and nurtured the hidden talent within me, helping me grow not only as a scholar but also as an artist. His encouragement played a vital role in shaping my confidence and identity as an artist. I extend my sincere gratitude to my PhD guide, Dr. Tushar Kanta Patnaik, whose scholarly direction and patient mentoring played a vital role in shaping my research journey. I am equally thankful to my co-guide, Dr. Ratnakar Mahapatra, whose insight and the support enriched my academics experience. I also take this moment to thank the Research Scrutiny Committee, RSC members, Dr. Rajkumar Khosla and Professor Jugal Kishore Mishra for their guidance, critical feedback, and encouragement throughout my research period. Their contributions were instrumental in bringing this work to completion. I would like to specially acknowledge the unwavering support and guidance of several distinguished academic leaders whose contributions have been invaluable throughout my research journey. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Gitanjali Patra, head of the Department of Political Science, for her continuous encouragement, academic insight, and support that greatly enriched my scholarly endeavor. I extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Anirbana Bandopadhyaya, Dean of the School of Tribal Culture, Philosophy and Eco-Spiritualism, whose thoughtful leadership and commitment to indigenous knowledge systems have been a guiding force in shaping the academic environment in which I have thrived. I am deeply grateful to Arpana Premi Lina Oran, Director of Research, for her dedicated mentorship, timely advice, and fostering a resource-friendly ecosystem that empowers scholars like me to excel. Special thanks to Dr. Prasant Kumar Raut Rai, Registrar, KISS deemed to be University, for his consistent administrative support and ensuring for the seamless academic experience during my PhD tenure. In parallel with my my passions for art florist, I have been a state-level awarded artist, winning the first prize 3 times in Odisha state-level painting competition. I have created portraits of personalities like Vidya Balan, Sonakshi Sinha, Ashley Joe, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Swami Vivekananda. In 2016, during a Children's Day celebration on Kalinga TV, I sketched Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru live in just 2 minutes. I also had the honor of sketching Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji live within 2 minutes during his birth anniversary in 2017. This journey would not have been possible without the visionary leadership of Dr. Achyuta Samanta sir, founder of KISS, whose commitment to uplifting tribal communities has created pathway of and opportunities for students like me. I am one among the thousands whose life have been transformed by his mission. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India for their financial support during my research years. Their investment in tribal education makes achievements like mine possible. This PhD is more than a degree. It carries a message for the world. Education is the bridge from struggle to success, from isolation to empowerment. Thank you all once again for your love, blessings and support. Namaskar.